All right, October 1st, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 1934 southbounder coming in hot with an EMD to lead it. Let's check him out. Very short, CSXT ET44AH, 3276. HZGX 192. End of train device is going. Didn't expect the Herzog MOW train to be on the tail, but that is impressive. Wow. Oh my goodness. I did not expect the Herzog MOW tie train to be right on the tail of the 344. Oh man. I cannot believe it. I am completely stunned. I actually finally got that MOW tie train again in action on the roll. In transit on the 344 tonight. Oh man. Oh my. Definitely the biggest highlight of the day, I'll tell you folks. Oh my gosh. So that'll do it for the M344-41 of the 30th. And along with that Herzog MOW tie train on the tail as a surprise as well. And we'll do it for the CN 8921 and the CSXT ET44AH 3276. Oh my. And signals are set for a northbound that's probably waiting for it at Sheldon or further south. So we'll do it for this big highlight of the day here at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope to see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.